Welcome. I take it you've heard about the free tutoring promotion Wyzant is currently running. Here's how you make it happen. The first thing is you go to wyzant.com/signup. You can also get there from the main page by clicking the sign up button. Once you're here, you want to sign up with email because this is the only option I know for sure will work correctly to get you your free session. Once you're here, you want to fill in all of the fields: email address, create a password, first name, last name, zip code. It tells you what will and will not be shared with your tutors. And then in the How Did You Hear About Us drop-down menu, you need to choose one of our tutors, and you need to put the tutor's email address, in this case mine, which you can find in the description of this video if you want to just copy and paste instead of having to type. Once you have done this, you are going to be led to another page where you will be prompted to attach a payment method. You want to do this, okay? Your first session up to a $36 price plus the 9% processing fee is free. But many tutors pay attention to whether a student has attached a payment method. And if you don't have one, it can make scheduling your session more difficult. Once you've completed your session and your tutor has submitted it for payment, you will see a charge and a credit on your account in the My Account tab, which will appear up here at the top once you're logged in. Give me a minute. So now that I'm logged in, you can see where the tabs are after you log in. And the My Account tab has transactions as an option, and that's the page where you're going to find a charge for your lesson and a credit for that first lesson on your account. There are other things you want to keep in mind when you're using the Wyzant site. The site is not staffed 24/7. Individual tutors set their own schedules, so availability is going to vary. It usually takes anywhere from 12 to 72 hours to schedule a first session. But under Find a Tutor, there is an option of Request a Tutor. Now you can search for a tutor for any subject on the Find a Tutor page under Search for Tutors, but Request a Tutor can be faster for some subjects as long as you are not trying to reach a specific tutor. Some subjects are less difficult to schedule. Some are less expensive than others. Ninth grade algebra tutors are going to be easier and quicker to find and less expensive typically than a tutor for the ACT or the GRE. Once you find a tutor you like, you can set up recurring sessions, which saves a load of hassle with regard to scheduling. If you really need help with a subject, but you cannot afford more than a certain amount, and the tutors you're finding are charging more than that per hour, you should consider booking a shorter session. Sessions can be as short as 5 minutes or as long as you and your tutor agree to. But research on teaching and learning indicates that classes and tutoring sessions of 45 minutes or less are ideal. This means you can book a 45-minute lesson with this tutor whose hourly rate is up to $48 an hour and still stay under the price limit for your free session. Well, I hope this is helpful and that you find the tutor you need this weekend.